What's up YouTube? How y'all doing? In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to create a keyboard shortcut for websites. So stay tuned. So first, let's start with the Chrome. Go to Chrome and you choose any website you want. I'll go with YouTube. Click on it. And then when you see the link, minimize. And you'll go to this lock, click on it and drag it outside. As you can see, this is the link. Click on it, properties, and you come to shortcut key. Click on it. You can't delete or do anything. You just need to type any letter on your keyboard, and web document will create a shortcut key for you. I'm gonna go with S. And as you can see, Ctrl Alt S is the shortcut key. Go with apply, okay. Now, if I go to my keyboard, Ctrl Alt S, it should open, as you can see, YouTube. Now for Microsoft Edge. You go to any website you want, and from there, same method as we did with the Chrome. You go to the lock, you drag it and you put it outside. Minimize this, go properties, and here shortcut key, and let's create a new one, and let's go with L. So it's Ctrl Alt plus L. Apply, then okay. Let's test it. Ctrl Alt L. As you can see, this is a way on how to use websites with shortcut key. If the video was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you later in the next one.